The easiest way for me to do it, yeah?
Yeah. Hold on, there.
That's where you should be sitting. Yeah? Do you remember how to do this?
Yeah.
Where you live? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you put them on the seat?
I'm not sure where the pegs are.